Hi guys! So we're done. Hindi ako naglaro. Nag-fresh air lang ako doon sa Miranila. Sige, food court na lang. So we are here today. So we just finished playing pickleball. Although hindi ako naglaro. Sinamaan ko lang talaga si mother. I didn't play pickleball. Ano lang kami. Ano lang ako. I want this on my birthday. Parang gusto ko dito kumain. Ang sarap ng wagyu nila.
Ayaw mo?
So we are now here today. Still continuing. Parang si Sir Zeke yan Ayan gaya yung guard So, I just had fresh air in nag-fresh air lang ako dun sa labas ng Miranila Homes. Dun lang sa may Tandang Sora. We're now here at SM North EDSA.
Ayaw nila sa The Black na food court. O nga pala, maarte nga pala. O, sige, bahala na si Noemi. Tanungin na lang natin. Okay. Okay. Sige.
Bakit mo mag-decide? So, the mall is just renovated. Tingnan mo, ang daming beautiful stores. It's like, now vlogging. What are you doing? So many ugly, beautiful stars here. I'll post this on YouTube maybe on the later date. Grabe, ang ganda ng SM North talaga. Next time I go to mall, ako lang talaga mag-isa. Ano, tuwan-tuwan na lang tayo or what? Papalamig lang ako. Okay, I'll end the video right now. There will be part 2.